Well, here's a beautiful 2008 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible. 45,000 miles. This car is priced right. Now, if you want to know the pricing and see more detailed photos, check the link right down below this video. It'll take you to all that information to the website for this car. So this is beautiful. Victory red on the exterior, cashmere on the interior, cashmere convertible top. Just looks great with this color combination. And under the hood, 430 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $6,550 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. I always tell you this includes power top, heads-up display, Bluetooth package, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats, and airbags. It has universal garage door transmitter. It has a wonderful Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with in-dash CD changer as well. It has a front input also, and steering wheel controls. Beautiful car, lots of fun to drive, great music. Chrome wheels look great on this car. It has OnStar, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, power windows, power locks, power steering. Well, everything on this car is powered. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, comes with a clean Carfax, and it's loaded with options. This 2008 Corvette Convertible, as we said, shows just 45,431 miles. So, and it's in good condition. So this makes this a car that has an excellent price. So check it down. Click the link down below this video, and you'll see that pricing as well. Car's paint is in very good condition, has a great shine. Convertible top is in very good condition as well, and the factory chrome wheels are very good. Please note that this car now wears a set of Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4ZP runflat tires, and not the Goodyear tires shown in this photo. Those tires have been replaced. And the interior, well, you're seeing it here. It shows very good condition, factory leather seats, very good steering wheel and center console, and the only additions to this car appears to be those good-looking red brake calipers. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can call us at 770-414-5552. Talk to one of our experienced Corvette salespersons. They can give you more details on this car and tell you how you can buy this car online with confidence and with ease. We sell a lot of cars online, and we make sure that our customers are taken care of. So you can buy online with confidence, and we ship nationwide, much less expensive than you would ever imagine. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button when you do, and you'll be the first to see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon. This is a beautiful car, right miles, and great price. Give us a call.